a strong and sound mindset, they always find the things better than before.
ariko umuntu ufite umutima ukomeye n'imyumvire myiza burya atahura ibintu byiza biruta ibyari biri,
And they see that result outcome.
akabona n'umusaruro wabyo.
If there is any problem,
hari ikibazo muri iki kigo,
if there is any issue,
niba hari ingorane,
if you live with this mind that I'm the owner, I'm the host of this place,
ubuze uti iki kigo ni icyanyu ukabana n'iyi myumvire,
you will not approach this problem, or you will not just consider this problem as a spectator.
ikibazo cyose kizamuye iki kigo ntabwo uzagifata nk'indorerezi,
You will put yourself in it.
ahubwo uzakinjiramo.
I'm not a spectator, but I'm the caretaker.
uti njye sindi indorerezi, ni ngomba kwita kuri iki kibazo.
I'm going to solve this problem like headmaster.
iki kibazo nzagikemura nk'umuyobozi w'ikigo.
These are people who live with avoiding mind.
ni abantu bafite umutima uhunga ibibazo n'ingorane,
They always look for excuse.
iteka baba bashaka urwitwazo cyangwa
I can't do it.
sinabishobora,
I'm not able to do it.
sinabishobora,
It is not possible.
ntibishoboka.
While a man who is not willing to do looks for an excuse.
nyamara mu gihe umuntu udashaka gukora ikintu ashakisha urwitwazo,
But the man who live with this strong mind,
wa muntu ubana n'umutima ukomeye,
a man who is willing to do, looks for a way.
ushaka gukora icyo kintu ahora ashakisha inzira cyakorwamo.
Hello everyone, I'm Pastor John Mutebi and I'm the legal representative of one of the best schools in Rwanda, which is ADONAI Smart Academy, and it is a privilege and pleasure to have met with IYF. And today on the 19th of September 2022 we have been trained by the best mind education lecturer, none other than Benjamin. And we have touched on various issues, on challenge, on leadership, which have been, and mostly we have tackled about how to have a strong mind or a strong heart, not having weak hearts, because we have seen that a weak heart, you are always bringing excuses. But when you have a strong heart, you look for a way. So I've liked it so much in that, because our teachers, they normally deal with very many kids on a daily basis. So when their mind is positive, it helps even the kids to be with a positive mind. So this mind education, I recommend that even fair-headed teachers in Rwanda, if it is an opportunity, I'd like you also to take this opportunity. I recommend you to IYF, and then you have these trainings. because they will help our teachers, and the teachers in turn will help our kids for the good Rwanda and for the good of our nation. So I thank them so much. May God bless them so much for this wonderful vision.